In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how the rich buy insurance and why they buy the policy they buy. It used to be a theory that wealthy people don't buy insurance. I don't know how that thing started, but hey, that is not true. Wealthy people, in fact, wealthy business people buy insurance. In 2025, more wealthy people are buying insurance. In the past, they were not purchasing insurance because they thought insurance just doesn't pay in Ghana. I mean, we all say that insurance doesn't pay and you don't see why you should buy insurance. If it wasn't for the police, you wouldn't. Girl, please. Now it is a proven fact that insurance in Ghana pays. They pay a whole lot of money. I'm telling you. It is no joke. Imagine you have a Sprinter bus and is insured with Star Assurance. It's a third party. Every other person in the car is a third party. You have like 22 people in the car, that's a third party. And if, God forbid, there's an accident and they all die or they all get injured, you're going to pay for each and every person. Do you know how much that is? Have you thought about that? But they pay. That theory has changed. In fact, more wealthy people are purchasing. more wealthy people are purchasing insurance policies now because they want to protect their assets. If you're living in the 1940s, please, you need to change your mind ASAP because the people that you thought would not purchase insurance are doing it. And they're doing that to protect their businesses. If you want to protect your assets, you need to buy insurance. If you're in business, you are in commercial business especially, you need to protect your assets. You need to protect your business. So you have to purchase insurance. If I have a salon or I have a big industry or whatever it is, whether it's a small scale business to a large scale business, I need to protect my assets, from my cash flow to my assets on the business premises to my workers and everything. The business operation itself, you need to protect your back. That way you can have some longevity for the business you're doing. You can have some freedom and some peace of mind to work. So imagine those wealthy men, right? When they come to the office, before they conclude on the business, maybe they conclude on the policy they want to purchase, guess what? They get free risk management advice. And how does this happen? The insurance company would have to go and inspect the property before they put you on cover. They inspect the business, they inspect the operations, they sometimes even inspect your books depending on what exactly they're giving you or the cover they're giving you. They inspect all of these things. And where there are shortfalls, they advise you on what to do and how to mitigate that risk or just manage it properly. They do that periodically. So it's like you're getting that risk management advice basically for free, just so that you don't bring in any claim that they will also find themselves worthy. And the rich people like this. When I don't pay their fee, me will be on pay their fee because me pay never fee pa. It's if they're doing all of this, I mean, and they don't have to employ someone to have to give them that expert advice. I mean, so now after coming to inspect the business to see if they want to put you in cover, whatever it is, and giving you all the risk management advice for free. Now they have to sit down and develop a customized policy for you. Do you know what that means? To have a customized solution to your problem. The ratings are even different. I mean, they try to meet you halfway because you are a business owner too. You have a business you're running. They want to partner with you. They want to work with you long term. So whatever they're doing for you, they develop that customized plan for you. They help service that plan. And in the end, you benefit because the rates will even be cheaper. They themselves now they are managing the risk. Okay. So if it's not going well, then it means that the problem is from the insurance company. It has nothing to do with you. It was based on the advice that you're operating. And guess what? After giving you that customized solution, what comes next? It's an exclusive discount for your business. So the wealthy people, they don't even pay much for their insurance. I bet you they don't pay that much for insurance. Well, if you look at all the benefits they are getting, if we were to charge them or they were to actually employ people or experts to advise them, they would have been spending way more than that. But insurance is already cutting half of the cost for you. And aside that, giving them discounts. You won't get that from anywhere. And that is why lately they buy insurance because they know that they will sit down with the insurance company and try and talk business with them. Now that you know why the wealthy purchase insurance, let me tell you the how. What is the how in this whole equation? Now, people, you need to pay close attention. Do you honestly think Despite or Ibrahim Mahama would come to the office to negotiate terms and conditions for his business or his businesses? So, this is the key thing that these small businesses need to learn. You need to buy your insurance policy from an agent or a broker. Don't even buy it from a bank. Don't buy your insurance policies through the banks. This is not to bullshit the banks or whatever it is, but you want to have some special attention given to your business. It's about relationship building. It's about bonding. If you have that with your bank, with your RM, that is fine. But if you're a small business owner, I would advise you to deal with an agent or a broker, and not just any agent or broker. Please, I need to go over this thing so many times. Not every agent is the same. Not every broker is the same. Some do have more influence than some with insurance companies. So be like the wealthy people. Purchase from your agent or your broker. That's where when there is a claim, you don't have time to be doing the runaround things. You don't have time to go to the police, do this, do this. Your agent has to do that for you, or your broker has to do that for you because they are representing you. The fact that an agent is working for the insurance company doesn't mean that when you need something or when you need assistance, they can't help you. They should. In fact, they ought to help you. If they don't, you fire them and you get a new one. So please, don't buy your insurance directly from the insurance company. Buy it. Always buy it through an agent. Having said this, you know I work with Star Insurance, right? Your solid partner. I have been in this insurance industry for close to a decade, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. And the best insurance agency I can recommend to you right now is Cobra Risk Management. You see the logo behind me? Yes, because I consult for them. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. I know what they're capable of doing. If you are a small business person, you're hoping to deal with any insurance agency or insurance company, please go through Cobra Risk Management. This is me endorsing them. And of course, I work with Star Insurance. If you want to contact me, oh, I thought I showed the logo, but yeah, Star Insurance. If you want to work with me directly, my number is 0247 Just call me concerning your business, your personal lives. Call me and let's get talking. Be like the wealthy people. Buy from your insurance agent. Never go directly to the insurance company to buy policy. If you know you're a business owner, you should always have a representative. If you like this video, share with your loved ones. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.